Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So that's the AC line, guys, I'm talking about. As you can see, those are the ones with the spring inside. Okay, you can check it out right here. And even though we are demonstrating on Mazda, guys, many vehicles use that kind of AC lines nowadays. Mazda, Ford, Lincoln, Jaguar, even more American ones, and European as well. So stay with us and we'll show you what you need to do now. Okay guys, so this is the AC line here that goes to the core inside the car. And as you can see, some cars come with the tool. That's the little tool that you need to remove it. But those usually break super easy. If you don't have one of those, people will replace the line and sometimes not install that thing. We'll show you what you need to do next and how to remove it. What you need to do, you need to grab on the line, pull to the inside. After that, you need to lock the tool, okay, inside, like that. All 4 teeth need to go in. And once it goes in, okay, it's going to get the spring there in the groove and you'll be able to pull it out. But I told you, it's not super easy with that stuff. We hate them a little bit. Okay, you can see it needs to go in all the way and then you need to start pulling it out. Okay, and it came out. Okay, you can see this is the line, 2 seals. Okay, and let me flip it and show you the spring inside. This spring right here, guys, that's the one that when you install that tool, it spreads the spring. That way you can pull it out. Now let me show you. Imagine this thing is gone. You don't have it, you broke it. Sometimes they break real easy. Okay, what are you gonna do now? You're pretty much stuck. So you get one of those. You go to the parts store, car parts store, and you can get that one. This is for fuel line removal. Okay, and it's like 10 bucks. You can get them on eBay even way cheaper than that. And you need to find a tool that is going to go around the outside piece here. So most likely will be the orange one. Let's check it out now if it's going to fit good. Okay, so what you need to do, okay, you need to go, okay, like that. It's even a little bit smaller, but I think it will work. It's very little gap here. You need to grab it on the back and push it in until it releases the spring. And you're going to hear an audible click. Okay, like that. Now, holding this one, you need to pull the line. It's super easy with the tool. Okay, and you can see it just came out like that. So no problem at all. Next, if you want to see the little one, okay, we're going to use a different tool for the little one. And most likely, let's see if it's the red one or the blue. Okay, I think the red will work great. So it clicked. Okay, and now you can pull it out super easy. And it takes less than 5 seconds to do it if you have the tools, guys. So that will be for today, guys. Hopefully the video was helpful. Many more to come. We'll be starting on our BMW project very soon, so stay tuned. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.